Sunday night with the Boysies. Who cares what pictures he takes? Do we always start in the car now? Yes, we do, because we always go on missions. Cue my new Boysies missions intro. Boysies on a mission. Explosion. Get up. Going to keep the trend going. You guys love it, so I'm going to keep doing it. Dragging myself out to these locations, but we are going to take a great landscape shot. The weather is average. Potentially could rain, so it begins. Recycling time lapse. And we're off in the bush and wearing the mean jumper, eh? There's some cliffs up here and there's sort of like a really hazy light at the moment with the sun, and so I want to go to those cliffs and see if we can get a really cool sort of landscape shot. I'm loving these winter photography sessions with the sunset because it adds a sense of drama. And we all need drama. Oh, look at this. The view's coming up, guys. Wow! Holy moly. See that point there? We're gonna go there. This is mean! Scared to even put my camera up like that. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get some shots. Look at it, it's like Jurassic Park out here. This is why I love New Zealand. And I still have time for walking shots. So I hope I get down to that point in time. Don't fall off the tripod. Oh, they've upgraded it to a path. Look at my chin, look at my chin. I'll tell you what's a loose mission. Going down that cliff to get to a beach. You can do it, we've done it before, but it's hectic. Maybe we'll do that, but that's going to take a bit of planning to film and go down there. It is so windy. I physically have to like duck when I run to duck under the wind. I don't even know if you're going to be able to hear a word that I've said. Ow! Bikey! Alright, keep going. Ow! My knee! Ow! Okay, we're going back up there. Gotta run back up that cliff. This is meant to be my day off. Oh man, I did a big run yesterday. Oh look, the hell just keeps going. Put another shrimp on the barbie. And with the light fading, that's it for another Boysies mission. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Not even that tired. Wasn't even that hard.